Welcome dear tutor and companions. The following video is explanatory. It is about the integration of TICs in the relationship between teaching and learning. Well, through the Kahoot app, we integrate the need fonts such as learning the vocabulary of males and the teaching of the verb to be. This app allows students to learn through an interactive and didactic from through images, videos, and sounds. The model that best adapted to our integration of the teaching and learn in the cyclical model, which answer questions such as who, what, where, how, and when. So, with the previously questions, the community was analyzed through the need of the students. This was solved by means of the TICS tool. Then, in order to provide clarifications about our tangible resource, in order to provide innovation and demonstrate its applicability by solving the students' needs, I explained the video. The teacher has previously configured the question to be developed as well as the time that will be given to solve each question. Also, the teacher previously explained each of the topics, setting objectives to reach in the class. Then the teacher explains the use of the Kahoot tools and asks the students to take their cell phone to the latter class to install and verify the operation of the same on the cell phone. So the teacher must have a smart board so that students can see the question and each answer from their cell phone. On the screen we visualize two models, green of Word Classic is there on that is the solve one-to-one done by teacher students. The blue is to develop in the classrooms in a collaborative manner, and all the members of the classroom can participate. Normally this will be the one that will be hand, but in this case we are going to click on the classic because it is an extraordinary explanatory video. The name of the student that you post as an example is Angel. Okay, click. After this, students will see the teacher as screen where a pin will appear. These students will enter it from his mobile to enter the game. A pair, name the student, player, start. Okay, so the students are shown the response options that they should press according to the answers. that they think is the correct one. In the options, minutes. Okay, for example. Well, next. In the upper part, the questions appear on the left side of the screen. The time to answer it below the answer options at the end of each question appear if it was well answered, and the students who answered it okay, click. Well, next appear the answer, image, answer, subject. Okay, well, next. I hope this tool is useful for teaching learned. That for you. Thanks for your attention.